So this is my laptop. You all can see a Scilab software. So here I am opening Scilab software. Now see how it opens. So here what I will do, I will type SCI notes. Okay. After I type SCI notes, see what is it coming. So here what I will do is that I will open a file. I have already done the project yesterday, and now I am going to show you how have I done the project. So now this is second order Rangi Gattha method. Okay. So what is our equation over here? Our equation is x square minus 2 is x square minus y. Okay. So what is our equation? Our equation is x square minus y, right? And this is nothing but f of x comma y. Okay. And what is our initial condition over here? Our initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 1. Let's say h is equal to 0.1. Okay. So here x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. Okay. So now I want to calculate y at x is equal to 0.1 and y at x is equal to 0.2. So first of all what I will do is that calculate k1, h into f of x naught y naught. Okay. So how much will be 0.1 into f of 0 comma 1? So how much is coming? Let me calculate. You also calculate. So it is minus 0.1. Now let's calculate k2. k2 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h into y naught plus k1. So how much is it? 0.1. 0 plus 0.1, 0.1, and 1 plus minus 0.1. How much it is coming? It's coming 0.9. Okay. Getting it? So how much is it? Let me calculate. So it's, how much is it? So it is minus 0.089. So k is now, k is equal to 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. So it's minus 0.0945 and y1 will be equal to y naught plus k. So 1 plus k. How much is it? Let me calculate. So it is 0.9055. Okay. So it is 0.9055 and x1 is equal to x naught plus h. The h is equal to 0 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.1. Okay. So y at x is equal to 0.1 is 0.9055. Okay. So now next we will calculate y at x is equal to 0.2. So k1 is equal to h into x1 y1 is equal to 0.1 into f of 0.1 comma how much? 0.9055. Okay. So how much will be? Let's calculate.
0.1 square minus 0.9055.
So what's the answer? It's the answer is this much. Minus 0.089 5. Okay, so now let's calculate K2. K2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h into x1, I'm sorry, x1 plus h into y1 plus k1 is equal to 0.1 into f of x1 plus h. 0.1 plus 0.1 is how much? 0.2. And then now y1, let's calculate this. Y1 plus k1. So 0.81595. So how much it is coming? So it is minus 0.77595. Okay. Now K is equal to 1 by 2 K1 plus K2. Okay. So now calculate this.
Minus 0.08955 plus minus 0.77595. So divided by 2.
Minus 0.43275 and y2 is equal to y1 plus this k. Let's calculate. Let me verify once.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry. This is not. This is the minus 0.077595. So how much is K2? K2 is minus 0.77595. So with this way, calculate K again. So how much is K now? Calculate K. K is equal to 1 by 2 K1 plus K2. So how much it's coming? Minus 0.835725. So Y2 is equal to Y1 plus K. Calculate similarly. So it is 0.8219275. So y at x is equal to 0.2 is nothing but this one. So x2 is equal to x1 plus h is equal to the 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.2. That means what? Y is equal to y at x is equal to 0.2 is nothing but this. So here how much is K2? K2 I have calculated it. This was a mistake and this is the correct answer. K is equal to K1 plus K2 then upon 2. Then this is the answer. Then this is the answer. You all can also verify. Now let me show you in a Scilab how I have done in the Scilab. So can you see the program, all of you? For Runge-Kutta second order method, this is correct formula, this is correct formula, and this is also correct formula. And so now save this file first. Now run this file. See here. Now this is now enter all the inputs over here. How much is the initial value of x naught? It's 0. And how much is the initial value of y naught? It's 1. And how much is h? I've told you it is 0.1. And how much is xn? See, ultimately it got ended with x 0.2. So I have calculated y at 0.2. You all can see here. Y at x is equal to 0.1 is this 0.9055, and y at x is equal to 0.2 is this y2 is 0.8219275. So I am entering here xn as 0.2. Okay, so now let's see what is the output. You all got this output. Verify one 0.9055 and 0.8219275. Y at see here. Y at x is equal to 0.1 is 0.9055. Y at x is equal to 0.2 is 0.8219275. So you all can see here. I have calculated. So understood? Okay.